So on the 1st of April I was at Millerhill, so I want to see some of the trains around that area. However, my first catch today was 1496, the 1026 DB cargo service to Tees Docks BSC Export berth from Moss End Euro Terminal with 66001. Then it says 4S45, the 1027 GBRF service for William Alkin GBRF from North Blythe Alkin GBRF with 66733. Then it says OS31, the early 1327 turned up at 1241, closed for freight service to Millerhill SS from Doncaster up decoy with 56090. Then this is 2P34, the 1456 ScotRail service to Millerhill EMU yard from Edinburgh with 38114.
Yes, Sun just had to go for that, didn't it?
Then my last catch today would be 6S50, the early 1609 turned up at 1506 DB cargo service to Millerhill SS from Carlisle with 66127.
It's always good to be